Welcome to the product demo of NandiAI, an innovative solution designed to transform the landscape of legal research in India. Navigating India's vast and integrated legal framework has been a long challenge for legal professionals who spend countless hours analyzing case laws to find relevant precedents. Now let us move with the registration. While we register, with Nandi.ai, we bring an AI powered legal research tool that leverages cutting edge natural language processing, machine learning, and generative AI. Our solution rapidly retrieves and analyzes case laws, delivering accurate and concise insights that save times, enhancing security, and improve decision making. Starting with the tax law domain, Nandi.ai is poised to become indispensable tool for legal professional offering a user-friendly experience, predictive analysis and deep understanding of India's unique legal system. Join us as we demonstrate how Nandi.ai is reshaping India's legal research for a smarter and more efficient future. In Nandi.ai, we are providing three capabilities: query direct access, query indirect access, lookup word and phrases. Let me add in a query of whether salary reimbursement of seconded employees taxable as fees for technical services FTS. I can add it an additional value such as in favor of, which court it belongs to, and bench. Let me click on send. Now I'm getting an entire results of cases. The first thing is the case name, which year it belongs to, which decision. I can also go to read more, which case keywords, rules involved, factual background, decisions, and a lot of other information is available. We can also filter it based on authority of advance ruling or whichever the court it has received. And at last, I am going to get a conclusion which is going to understand the entire thing. I can like the response, dislike it, download it, share it, and add a feedback. This feedback is going to help us to improve our responses next time. Now let us move to the query indirect access. Let me add in the prompt whether restaurant is connected to a 5-star hotel has a different entrance. What is the rate of GST? Now here I am going to get all the cases which has these keywords. I can see the key takeaways, decisions, factual backgrounds, and lot of other information. I can click on read more to get the entire detail of this case. Factual background, whoever was involved, bench location. But not only that, but in India, there is a problem with the translation. So because of that, we have added language translation for different Indian languages. Let me translate it to Hindi. And I'm getting this entire information translated to Hindi. Now, let us move to the lookup and phrases. Here, let me type in the keyword of successive and dealers. And let me query it. I'm going to get this information with these keywords, all this information. Once I have done that, let me go to the query history where I can see which query I have searched earlier and what was the result that was returned. Now moving to my profile, I am going to get a lot of information. The consumption history is going to show me which query got added. Coupon redeem, I am going to read the privacy policy for the users. And now let us move to the wallet. Here let me select a basic plus. Different packages has different features and different credits that are going to be added. Let me add to 600 and let me click on continue. Once I have done that, let me add the discount coupon of basic 10 and let me proceed to payment. This application has not yet been launched. It is in test mode. So let me click quickly to the payment. Once the payment is successful, I am going to get a message and it is going to redirect me to the home page. Here, if I go to wallet, my balance and credits are going to get increased. That's all for Nandi.ai. We are going to keep on improving. This is our Kong API gateway. Here we have added our services routes and various plugins along with the consumers. Here we have added a distributed tracing called Zepkins. So let me, if I open one of them, so here I'm going to get all the information, how this API is performing, what is its speed, and all the other data. Here we have used Kong request latency. So here we are getting right. In Prometheus, we're getting all the API requests that have been hit. And now we have used Grafana dashboard to see how our APIs are performing. Let me refresh it. So here you're able to see how our APIs are performing: total request per second, RPS route by status code, different latencies, total bandwidth we are sending, and all the other information like Nginx controller, total connections, and all the other accepted values are coming here. Then we have used our Elasticsearch dashboard to see all the API endpoints that are getting hit, which API endpoint, how what is the response time, how can we improve our API, and also in case if you want to debug it, we can do all of these things. So let me save it. Let me click on save. Once we have done that, we can go to our discover. Here we are going to see all the API endpoints that have been hit. So if I want to see in case there is some debugging that needs to be done, we can do all of those things through this help of Kibana dashboard.